Hey, students want to learn English easily and funnily. Hi there, dreaming of learning English grammar easily and have fun doing it? Friends, you are in the right place because I'll explain everything simply and clearly for you. Gerund or infinitive. 3 simple rules for usage. Have a look at the sentences. I am singing a popular English song. This is a Tibetan singing bowl. Singing develops our fluency. These sentences have something in common, haven't they? Of course, this is the word singing. However, this form of the verb has different functions in these sentence structures. In the first sentence, singing is the present continuous tense, to be plus participle 1. In the second sentence, singing describes a noun, bowl, so it acts as an adjective. In the third sentence, singing acts as a subject. The word singing doesn't look like a noun. In this case, singing is like a blend of a noun and a verb. Well, this is the gerund. Let's formulate the definitive of a gerund once more. The gerund is a verb form ending in ing that plays a role as a noun and relates to the idea of activity. Obviously, you know what infinitive is. This is the base form of the verb, with or without to. Here are the examples with the same verb sing. She went to the middle and began to sing. From the first sight, we can use both gerund and infinitive after the verb in sentences. The trick is that for many students, it becomes unclear when the gerund should be used and when to use infinitive in speech. Be careful. Sometimes using a gerund or infinitive can change the meaning. Let's look at the sentences. I tried to play something romantic on the guitar. This statement means that I made an attempt but without success. I tried playing the guitar. This statement means that I tried playing the guitar as one of the options to entertain myself. Memorize the simple rules of using gerund. Here is rule number 1. Subject equals gerund. When we want to start the sentence with activity, use gerund as the subject of the sentence. For example, dancing helps keep your body in good shape. Swimming helps keep your body in good shape. Jogging helps keep your body in good shape. Rule number 2. Preposition plus gerund. Use a gerund after prepositions. Once gerund serves as a noun, it can be used after prepositions. No matter if a preposition stands along or follows a verb, adjective, or noun. Examples will help you to understand the rule. After working in the garden, I had to rest. My parents are in doubt about buying a new house. He was interested in visiting the exhibition. She is good at playing tennis. Rule number 3. Verb plus gerund. The gerund is normally used after certain verbs. For example, I avoid riding a horse. I like riding a horse. I enjoy riding a horse. Here is a list of common verbs followed by a gerund. You can pause the video and write out the verbs. Well, I suppose it's clear with the gerund. The following part of the video explains the rules of where and how to use the infinitive. Rule number 1. Verb plus somebody plus infinitive. In case if the main verb has an object, noun or pronoun, we normally use the infinitive instead of gerund. For example, Tom asked his sister to help him. Did you advise him to call to office? Did you notice? Normally, we use the gerund after the verb advise. For example, I advise studying hard for better results. But if the verb, even if it commonly takes a gerund, has an object, use infinitive. Rule number 2. Adjective plus infinitive. Though there are many structures with adjectives, please remember that after an adjective, it is common to use an infinitive. For example, it was difficult to solve this task. A sports car is very expensive to buy. And finally, the last rule. Rule number 3. Verb plus infinitive. There are many verbs in English, followed by infinitive with to. Here are a couple of examples. He decided to move abroad. They helped to cook dinner. Now, on your screens, you will see a list of verbs after which we use the infinitives. As always, stop the video and memorize them. At the end of this video, I want to offer some notes on today's topic. 1. Help and dare can be followed by infinitive without to. She helped tidy the room. I dare disagree with her. The structure used to plus infinitive is used to refer to a past routine which no longer exists. He used to play tennis. He gave up 2 years ago. Now, on your screens, you will see a list of verbs. As always, stop the video and memorize them. I hope this video will help you learn this grammar topic. All you need is more practice in everyday life. Thanks for listening. See you on the Lingportal channel.